We got Build a Builder, Gym Speed Shop, Superstar right here that take care of all the motor, all the exhaust, all the real,
suspension,
all the
all
suspension.
brakes,
For real though.
etc., etc.,
etc., etc. But we got something special. As you see, we got the, what is it, 1967 convertible? 1967 Camaro convertible. And you are doing what right now?
I'm fabricating and welding the exhaust system.
Okay. And what is this exhaust system?
This is only 2.5 inch, but it's full mandrel bend, so there's no kinks in any of the tubing.
Okay.
And it's got an X pipe, and on the convertible, an X pipe is a very tight squeeze.
Okay. Okay.
But it's all been fitted, and we tacked it all in place. So now we just remove the whole thing, weld around everywhere.
Okay.
Let it cool, and put it back in.
Okay. And what is the system called?
This one is by Stainless Works.
Stainless Works.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Well, let's see what it is, y'all. Let's check it out.
It fits pretty good, but like everything else that's bolting,
Got a mod.
slice it and dice it and make it fit.
Yeah. So here we have it. Check it out. Looks good though. Look good. Now, how much a system like this will cost?
Have no idea. I'm just a builder.
Oh my God. Y'all, I got to do some research. I'll make sure I put it down below. He said it ain't none of my business.
My business. Fit it. Make it work.
Stainless work. So far, this thing look amazing though. Now, did you do anything extra, or do it come pretty much the way we see it?
Yeah, I had to slice a few tubes and kind of give them a little bit of extra bend.
Okay.
Because a couple of them were bent and some were not bent as fuck.
Okay.
But that just goes along with slicing and dicing, making it fit your application. Everybody's headers are different, so, you know.
Okay. And let's see what we got under here. Oh, let's check out the sexiness. Let's check out the sexiness. Hold on, let me cut my brightness up for y'all. 1 second. This is underneath the 1967 Camaro. Look at this sexiness, man. Oh my goodness. He done put this thing together so good. Look at this. What headers you go with?
Those are Doug's.
Doug's headers.
Yep. No, they're 1 7/8.
1 7/8. Looking good.
3.5 inch collector.
3.5 inch collectors. They looking good. He got this stuff ran so nice.
Doug's headers fit very well.
Yeah.
They fit very well around the steering box, everything. They're a little more pricey, but you do get what you pay for.
Okay. You hear that? So stop being a cheapskate, y'all. If y'all want them done right,
If you buy cheap, that's what you're gonna get.
So he gonna put these bad boys right here to them headers. I'm expecting this joint to sound super good. Stainless work, so I'm guessing this is stainless.
Yep, all stainless except the collector.
All stainless steel except the collector. So stainless steel. I'm guessing we won't have the rust issues like that. And yeah.
We'll have none of that.
Okay. All right. So to be continued. Finna let my boy get to it. And let y'all see the final results. There we go, y'all. Look at that install job. Oh my goodness. Tell me that don't look good.
That don't look good.
Look at that. Fire.
Somebody popped the hole in the block off.
From the headers, y'all see the headers? Ooh. Look at that cross game.
Nice little upside down start.
Oh my goodness. Ooh. This is just a sneak peek, y'all. I know y'all want to hear it, but y'all gonna have to wait. I'm sorry. I'm gonna break the news to y'all early. They still wiring it up, you know. But this kit look amazing. Yep. Build a builder. Trying to tell y'all. Sheesh. Come on, man. Look how flush and on point that piping is. Come on, gang. Y'all see my boy work? Lord have mercy. Look at them beautiful welds. Goodness gracious. That's a lot of sauce right there. That's a lot of sauce. Yep. There you have it. There y'all have it. But look at this undercarriage though. The exhaust crazy, but Lord have mercy. Look at this stuff. Ooh. Tough. This Camaro gonna be so nasty. 396 small block. Disgusting. Disgusting.
I had to tweak a few of the bends.
Okay.
Because everything they say goes right in. Wow, that's not the
Yeah. Normally that's high.
And you got to shorten tubes, and because every company's sets of headers are different. Fortunately, these are pretty equal length. So
Okay.
wasn't too much, but to get the bends, because of it being a convertible, to get everything to go underneath the brace.
Okay.
Otherwise, if it was a regular Camaro, then you wouldn't have to go around all that.
Okay. All right. And there y'all got it. Still works. Stay tuned. What year again is this joint? 1967 convertible. Still works exhaust. 396 small block. I mean, look at the rear end. Yes, Moser. Lord have mercy.
Yep, these springs are gone. Now it's a GM 4-link.
No leaf springs. GM 4-link. Whew. Whole lot of sauce right there. Whole lot of sauce. Y'all stay tuned. There's a lot more to come with this car. I can't wait to hear it start up. I want to let y'all hear it now, but it's not wired up yet. I just had to show y'all what it looked like underneath the car, though. It looks so good. It looks so good. So y'all stay tuned, man. To be continued.